Hey everyone, good afternoon. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon we are doing a walk around startup and a drive video for you on a 1978 Dodge 150 Adventure pickup. Man, what a pretty little truck. This truck is super solid. It was a Western truck most of its life. The bottom of the truck is very, very nice, super clean, very solid truck. It's one of 78 built in this configuration, club cab, short bed, with a factory 440, automatic, power steering, power brakes, and factory air conditioning. This is such a cool little truck. Like I say, the paint on this truck is new, and it looks very, very nice. No bubbling or blistering anywhere on this truck that I can see. Got a brand new set of American Racing torque thrust style wheels. I think they look great on this truck. New exhaust, new shocks. Chrome bumpers are brand new condition. Tail lights look great. All the stainless trim and bright work on the truck is polished to perfection, as good as you're gonna get it, I think. Got a really nice soft bed cover on it. It's got a color match spray on bed liner. Seats, awesome. Dash is in great shape. 52,000 original miles on this truck. As I said, power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning, cruise control. Just a gorgeous little truck. That one sun visor there the seam is split on that. Doors open and shut, very nice. Body lines are very nice. Front bumpers like new as well. It's all original appearing under the hood. We didn't paint up the valve covers or the engine or nothing. It's just all original. Pretty darn cool truck, and it runs excellent. I'll take it out. We're gonna take it out here for a spin in just a second. There we go. Truck's gonna be priced at $29,900. I think that's very, very excellent price on this truck, I think. Very fair. You'd never find one of these trucks and try to restore it and have it look this good for that money. Just a really nice truck. Start it up here for you. Sounds great as well. Just trying to give you an idea how nice it is. I mean, I think you can see in the video just how nice and clean the paint, body, and interior is. Great sound to it too. I love pickups. I got a lot of trucks in stock. I was born and raised around pickup trucks my whole life, so that's still my following: muscle cars and pickup trucks. I really haven't seen too many of these trucks, honestly. A extended cab short bed like this with a 440. I guess that's the reason I haven't seen it. One of 48 produced, or 78, excuse me. I think this truck should be sold really, really quick for $29,900. Like I say, there is no way possible that you would buy this truck and make it look like this for that money. Beautiful day here in Iowa. Sunny skies, warm summer day. Doesn't get much better. The only thing that makes it better is getting to drive all these cool cars. Wow, what a nice truck. This thing drives great. Look, I don't even have my hands on the steering wheel. Just it rides and drives that nice. Speedometer works, gauges work. The only gauge in here that I know don't work is that clock. So. Brakes work nice. Keeps you right in a straight line, doesn't pull left or right. Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. www.kinionauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and really cool pickup trucks every day. So give us a call if you're interested in purchasing this gorgeous little 78 Dodge 150 Adventure Club Cab pickup truck. One of 78 produced, 440 automatic, power steering, power brakes, factory air. What a cool truck. out here quick and I'll do a outside walk around quick. There she is. Beautiful little truck. Somebody's going to be really, really happy when they get this. If that's you, then give us a call today. Again, 563-452-2450. You can talk to myself or Elvis, aka Michael. You're going to love it. All right, here we go. Just no issues with this truck. It just runs so nice. Transmission shifts smooth. What a gorgeous little truck, everyone. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you never miss another great quality collector car. I really appreciate everyone that has subscribed to my channel. I just like to inform people and let them see all the beautiful collector cars that we have in stock. And we're always willing to meet new friends, meet new people, and talk to people about classics. So give us a call. Have a great afternoon, everyone, and we'll talk to you soon.